Look at them, they're playing. They're jumping around. Whoa! Whoa! Look at this, Lorenzo, they're jumping.
Look, this is what you do. Ready? You have to hold it really tight, okay? Okay. He's hungry. Hold it with 2 hands.
Look at the alligators, Lorenzo. Hi, turtle.
Hi, turtle.
You want to pet him?
No, want me to pick you up to pet him?
A turtle has my hat. Look!
What is that?
Look!
Do you see it?
Yeah.
What is it?
A shark.
A snake. Look at this guy, Lorenzo. Up here. Oh, could you see him? Look at that snake though, Lorenzo. See that thing?
This snake came out of his skin.
That's a big snake. Oh, look at this snake. It shedded its skin. You see him over there in the corner? Oh, look. These are little lizards. You see the lizards? Look at this guy, Lorenzo.
Look, there's a shark there.
Yeah. He's trying to lick you. Yeah.
I'm going to have a picture of you.
Look at this snake. See that snake?
A baby snake.
A baby snake.
A puppy snake.
Lorenzo, look at this guy. You want to sit up here?
No.
Look at his eyes. He's big, isn't he? Look at him.
Whoa.
Look at this snake right here, Lorenzo.
A baby snake.
Yeah.
Hi, snake.
Hey, snake.
Hi, baby snake.
That's not a baby snake right there.
No. A buckshot.
What is
A
that?
monkey.
His name is Timmy.
Tummy.
Yeah, look, his name is Timmy. Timmy was rescued from a medical research institute when it was closed in 1982. Wow, he's 55 years old. Whoa, look at the monkey.
A baby. A mama monkey.
Look at them, they're playing. They're jumping around. Whoa, whoa. Look at this, Lorenzo, they're jumping.
You see one on the gate over there?
Look, you can feed him. Wait, what could you feed them right here? Oh, he's waiting for food. Lorenzo, you want to give him a cucumber.
Here, put it in here for him.
Drop it down there. Look, it fell
He's
down.
gonna eat it. Okay.
See? It's gonna eat it.
You want to put one in there for him?
Thank you. Thank
Here
you.
you-
Drop it down. Yep, look,
You
it
want to
fell
give him
down there.
another one? Here you go. You're very welcome.
Look, it rolled over there. Oh, maybe he doesn't want it. Oh, he wanted it.
Wow, look at them.
Look at them running around. Look at the sloths up there, right? Yeah, sloths. Right here.
Look, this is what you do. Ready? You have to hold it really tight, okay? Okay. He's hungry. Hold it with 2 hands. Hold it.
Mmm, yummy.
Are you hungry, little guy? Wow, you're very brave.
Petting the goat?
Yeah. I don't eat my shoe.
Look at this goat. It's drinking all the milk.
You want to
all the
do it?
milk.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, tug on it a little bit. Don't give it to him. He's strong.
No,
He's thirsty.
Ooh, look at this. What is this?
Cool animals.
Kangaroos?
Stuff.
Look,
And we have gators.
the kangaroo's trying to eat a leaf. Kangaroo. That's not food. That's no food, kangaroo. What's in here? Tortoise. Raccoons. Look at the alligators, Lorenzo. See the little turtle swimming? He's just hanging out. Look, mommy's gonna throw into the monkey. Gotta throw it in there. Big throw. Big throw.
Ready?
Good. Look, now he's eating it.
All right, you got this. This is like ball shape. So I think
Go
you
ahead,
can do
throw
this.
that one in. Oh, you
Mommy's gonna
missed.
try to get one. Ready?
There he goes.
He's eating it.
Look, Lorenzo, come up here. Want to drop one down there to the bear? Look, drop it right down here. See? See, he eats it. Look at him, is he eating it?
How many monkeys are there?
There's 2 monkeys. See the alligators, Lorenzo? See them? Mama just pet the bunny. They're sleeping. Look at that spider. Look at this snake, Lorenzo. Show everybody what you got. What's that? A baby puppy. And his name is Ranger. All right. Say bye, everybody. Bye.